कभी सोचा है मार्केट के नेक्स्ट मूव को थोड़ा ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कैसे प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं? Well, today we are diving into just that, the power of triangle patterns in technical analysis. सुनने में थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स लग रहा है, right? But these patterns might just become your new best friend in trading. Let's start with basics. What are triangle patterns? Triangles are like the market's way of taking a breather, a pause before deciding its next big move. Triangles तब बनते हैं जब प्राइस कंसोलिडेट होने लगती है और एक सीरीज ऑफ लोअर हाइज और हायर लोज क्रिएट होती है. These patterns are often a sign that the market is gearing up for a continuation of the current trend. There are three main types of triangle patterns we'll focus on today: ascending, descending, or symmetrical triangles. Each tells us a different story about the market's potential next move. Let me break them down for you. First, we have an ascending triangle. Picture this. The market is making higher lows, but the highs are stuck at a certain level, forming a flat resistance line. But why does this happen? Highs उस level को break क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे? Well, this is an ascending triangle, a bullish pattern that suggests buyers are gaining strength. Confusing? Let's take an example. Let's say stock A is trading around 100 rupees. Over the next few weeks, it keeps bouncing back from 90 rupees, forming higher lows at 92, 94 and 96 rupees. लेकिन ये हर बार 100 rupees पर resistance face करता है. This forms an ascending triangle with buyers gradually pushing the price higher, but the sellers are holding the line at 100 rupees. Finally, when stock A breaks out above 100 rupees, ये potential bullish run का signal होता है. ये definition and example तो ठीक है, but how can you spot an ascending triangle? You will notice that the lows are climbing, but the highs keep hitting a ceiling. Draw a trend line connecting those higher lows and another connecting the consistent highs. You have got yourself an ascending triangle. But why do we care about these trend lines? Because they help us visualize the battle between buyers and sellers. Draw your trend lines to connect those points and you will see the triangle shape. But how do you trade this pattern? Well, the strategy here is straightforward. Wait for the breakout. Once the price breaks above that upper resistance line, it's often a strong signal to go long. Why? Because it suggests that the buyers have finally overpowered the sellers. Simple, right? Let's now move to the second type of triangle, which is a descending triangle. सोचो, market lower highs बना रहा है, but this time the lows are sticking to a flat support level. But how does this make sense? Why isn't the price moving below that support? This forms a descending triangle, a bearish pattern that indicates sellers are in control. Let's try understanding this with an example. Take stock B, which is trading at 100 rupees. Over the next few weeks, ये 110 rupees के ऊपर break करने में struggle कर रहा है और lower highs 108, 106 और 104 rupees पर बना रहा है. However, it finds support at 100 rupees. This creates a descending triangle. The sellers are pushing the price down, but the buyers are holding it at 100 rupees. Eventually, when the price breaks below 100 rupees, it signals a potential bearish move. And how to spot it? Well, to spot a descending triangle, look for a series of lower highs and consistent lows. The sellers are pushing the market down, but the buyers are holding the line. How to trade it? With the descending triangles, patience is the key. Wait for the breakdown below that support line. But why wait? Because when the price finally breaks down, it's often a strong cue to short the market. This tells us the sellers have finally overpowered the buyers. Now let's move to our last triangle, which is a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are the most neutral of the bunch. But you might be wondering, how can a pattern be neutral? यहाँ buyers और sellers दोनों standoff में होते हैं, making higher lows and the lower highs, squeezing the price into a tighter and tighter range. For example, let's imagine stock C is trading at 150 rupees. Over the next few weeks, the price makes lower highs at 148, 146 and 144 rupees, while the lows are forming higher lows at 140, 142 and 144 rupees. The price is getting squeezed between these two converging trend lines. ये एक symmetrical triangle बनाता है. The market is building up pressure, but no one knows which way it will break out. Finally, the stock breaks out above 150 rupees, indicating a continuation of the previous trend. Now, how to spot it? Symmetrical triangle को identify करने के लिए trend lines draw करो, जो lower highs और higher lows को connect करें. You will see the price converging into a point, almost like the market is coiling up for a big move. But why does this matter? Because it tells us the market is building up pressure, ready to explode in either direction. But how do you trade something so unpredictable? symmetrical triangles are all about waiting for the breakout, which could go either way. The best strategy here? Follow the direction of the prevailing trend. If the market was trending up before the triangle, chances are it will break upward. If it was trending down, expect a downward breakout. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes and tips with the triangle. First is avoiding false breakouts. कभी-कभी market हमें confuse कर देता है. A good tip is to wait for confirmation. Don't just jump in on the first sign of the breakout. Look for a retest of the trend line or increased volume as validation. Next is setting your stop loss. You might be thinking, what if the market turns against me? Always protect your capital. Set a stop loss slightly below the breakout point for ascending triangles, above for descending, and on either side for symmetrical triangles. This way, if the market reverses, you're not left holding the bag. To summarize, triangle patterns एक powerful tool है आपके trading toolkit में, जो आपको मार्केट के अगले मूव को थोड़ा ज़्यादा certainty के साथ predict करने में help करते हैं. But remember, it's not just about spotting the pattern. It's about understanding what it tells you about the market sentiment. Trading knowledge के साथ patience और discipline का game है. By mastering these patterns, you're giving yourself an edge, and in the markets, that edge can make all the difference. So next time you spot a triangle forming on your charts, don't just sit back. Analyze it, prepare your strategy, and be ready to act. That's all for today. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना for more investing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.